what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, and pass that bitch like Stockton.
Alright guys, another very exciting video today because what we got here is the new AWE exhaust for the 8Y S3. I don't know about you guys, but I start all of my builds with exhaust. That's one of the first things I always modify on my cars. Because let's be honest, stock exhausts don't sound good. I'm a big AWE fan and I got their exhaust on my Supra and it sounds amazing. Now, big shout out to AWE for trusting me and sending me one of their first exhausts before the release date so I can make this video for you guys and show you how it sounds. Now, let's open this box and see what we got. What we got here is the touring exhaust. I don't want the track one because it's a bit louder and I really like the tone of their touring exhaust. It is very well packaged and this is my favorite part. Black diamond tips. They look so good. Ooh, look at this. So we got the AWE sticker. We also need the installation guide, which actually I've always been taking my cars to the shop for exhaust installation just because it's easier and I don't have the lift and all that. This time, me and my buddy are going to install it, so I'm going to need this. Whew. Fire. This quad tips will look so good on the car. Alright, let's go and install the exhaust. Alright, the factory S3 exhaust is out, super easy install. Big shout out to my buddy Grigor who helped me install the new exhaust. Super easy when you follow the steps, you can get it done in your garage or on your driveway. Let's go out and see how it sounds. It's crazy how much better the AWE exhaust sounds. It's so much deeper compared to the factory exhaust. The microphone can't really pick up the sound of the AWE exhaust. It sounds so good in person, but some of you might think, yeah, but it's not a lot louder than the factory exhaust. That's because we're still on the factory downpipe. Once we install the catless downpipe, it's gonna sound crazy. And you can hear more of the turbo spool. That's pretty nice. And the black tips look amazing, especially after we dechrome the car. It's gonna look so good in black. Oh, the pops are so much louder too. We got wheels, springs, and few performance mods coming in the next few weeks. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Peace.